Hi, welcome back to Garden of the Geeks. Today I'm going to show you, we just bought this beautiful 3.75 acre lot of land out here in Eloy, Arizona. We're standing on it right now. And I mean, if you want, go ahead and get a panoramic of this view.
.360?
Mm-hmm. Oh, now you have to look at me again. Want to point out a couple of more things. See those towers over there? The water storage tanks? That's the local water company. Now the pipes don't quite make it to our property, but we're allowed well or on-ground water. So that'll be great. Somebody's unhappy back there. Oh, come here. Oh, come here, sweetie. Let's pick this one up. Power lines, APS. One of the big two in Arizona. Those power lines are less than 700 feet from the property. So basically, they will bring power into our land for free. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little white sign right up over there that has the buried cable fiber optic. We have cable to our land. So basically, we're starting out on a 3.75 acre lot of land here in Eloy with a little crabby one who wants mommy, who's holding the camera. And look at this view. We've got everything we need. We paid less than 10 for the land, a lot less than 10 for the land. And it's got pretty much everything at property line, if not close enough. So this will be the future home of Garden of the Geeks. Please continue to stay tuned with us. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Remember, everyone's a geek for something.
Exactly.